Hello everybody, welcome back to Hike. My name is Pranjal Jain and today we are going to try to solve a question named largest coprime divisor. Let us read what the question is. You are given two positive integers a and b. You need to find the maximum valued integer x such that x divides a, which is a mod x equal to 0. X and b are coprime, which is GCD of x and b is equal to 1. Let us try to understand this question with the example. Okay. So A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 12. So A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 12. We have to find largest divisor of A that is co-prime to B, which means that that number K that we are looking for and B have GCD equal to 1. So how can we do this? So basically what we iteratively will do is we will find the GCD of A and B. So what is the GCD of 30 and 12? The greatest common divisor of 30 and 12. So it is 3. So we divide 30 by 3. So we get a number 10. Now 10 is obviously a divisor of 30 because we have divided the number A by some number and that is how we have got this 10. Now we will again find the GCD of 10 and 12. What is the GCD, the greatest common divisor of 10 and 12? That is 2. Now we will divide this 10 by 2 and finally we have a 5. 5 is a divisor of 30 and GCD of 5 and 12 now is 1. So 5 satisfies both the conditions. 5 is a divisor of 30 and GCD of 5 and 12 is equal to 1. So our answer is 5. So what we will do iteratively is we will find the GCD of A and B and we will divide A by that number till the time A is greater than 1 or GCD of A and B becomes 1. Let us try to code this in. Now let us start writing the code for this particular question. So first of all, we will write the function that will find the GCD of two numbers. Let's make a separate function for that. Let's name the function GCD itself. It will take two values as parameters, A and B, and will return the GCD of these two numbers. So if max of A comma B mod min of A comma B is equal to 0, then we can simply return minimum of A comma B as the GCD. Otherwise, we will use recursion to solve it. We will return GCD of max of A comma B mod min of A comma B comma minimum of A comma B. That's it. This particular function is going to return the GCD of the two numbers that we passed to it as parameters. Now let us move to the main code. In this code, we'll use a while loop while A is greater than 1. What we'll do is we'll find the GCD of A and B. Then if temp is equal to 1, which means that GCD of A and B has now become 1, and A is obviously a factor of the initial value of A. So we can clearly return temp over here. Otherwise, we'll make A equal to A upon temp. So we are doing exactly what we saw in the try run. At the end, we can simply return. Here we have to return the value of A. So we are doing exactly what we were doing in the try run. We are iteratively finding the GCD of A and B, and we are dividing A by the GCD until either A becomes equal to 1 or the GCD of A and B becomes equal to 1. And then we are returning the value of A. Let us try to run this. So the visible test cases have passed. Let us submit this. So all the test cases have passed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood the. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood the entire concept. And if there's any doubt whatsoever, please feel free to comment it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to clarify any doubts that you guys have. See you in the next video.